Money Plus Qute expense tracker applications for Android are user-friendly financial management tools designed to help individuals track their income and expenses in an attractive and engaging manner. These apps focus on making budgeting enjoyable through colorful graphics, customizable themes, and cute icons that enhance the user experience. The best Money Plus apps typically feature intuitive interfaces that allow users to easily log transactions, categorize expenses, and generate visual reports to understand spending habits. They often include budgeting tools, savings goals, and reminders for upcoming bills, helping users maintain control over their finances. Additionally, many applications support multiple currencies, enabling users to manage expenses while traveling or in different financial contexts. Overall, Money Plus Qute expense tracker apps combine functionality with visual appeal, making it easier and more enjoyable to manage personal finances effectively.